it's Vanessa again, and in today's video I am going to be reviewing the KKW contour sticks. This is my first ever KKW product and I am excited. Okay, so I already took the sticks out of the box. These are what they look like if you haven't seen them already. And this is what the box looks like. It's very close. And then that's what it looks like on the side. The back has all the ingredients for each of the different sides of the sticks. And then I got the color light medium, and that's technically it. Very small, and the packaging feels amazing. The sticks, like the packaging of the actual sticks, feels very not like, it just doesn't feel like hefty. Like it's very light, and it just doesn't feel like high end, if that makes any sense. So I think this one is the light medium contour. So this is what one side looks like. The other looks like, and then the highlight.
I just said it's what's in the inside that matters, and it was just really awkward and I didn't have another clip to go off of, so yeah, let's just jump right into the review. I'll find another who gon' do for me.
Okay, so I already have my base set. This is already primed, moisturized, my foundation, and some under this more foundation underneath. If you watched my first video, you know I do not use concealer or have used a liquid contour. So I'm actually prepared for this. So first I'm gonna go into the contour. I'm going to swatch both sides to figure out which one I want to use on my skin. This is the light, which actually I think I might do. And this is the medium. I think I'm gonna go in with the light. These are smooth on my hand. How much product? That's how much product comes in one side. This retails for $30. I got this at Ulta, so let's hope it's worth the $30. So I'm just gonna take this and put it.
Baby, how you feel?
This is a real Technique Speed Blender. I know it looks disgusting, and I'm just gonna blend this in. So none of this is set yet. My face is not set yet. I think I just used the wrong side. I just used the wrong side.
Do for me. See, I just want your phone. Just keep it on real.
I think it's doing something. I see something, but on this side I can barely notice it. Y'all, this side is way more defined. I'm gonna go in with the, apparently I went in with the medium side. And I'm just gonna put that.
Such a cry. You don't hurt me many times, sorta lost my mind. Just remember that I cared for you, I'm sorry. If I wasn't enough for you, baby, I'm hurt. Baby, you ain't gotta lie.
I heard it's doing a little something. There's not a lot. I feel like I did more to this side, probably because I could see more On this side, I can't even keep it in anything. On my forehead, I can't tell either. I can tell a little bit, it's just not as pigmented. I'm gonna go over my nose to see if that does something. So
how you want it, would that been way better? You want it all, to do you. I just wanted you to tell me the full truth, but you left it.
so that's as much as I'm gonna put, because I feel like I keep taking a lot on this area a lot, so I'm just gonna kind of leave that alone. Y'all saw it. I don't know why it's giving more over here and not over here. You know, I don't want to keep taking it on and then it looks like.
For me, see, I just wanna know, you had me on a low.
I can kind of see it, it's just not huge. Okay, now I'm going to go into the highlighter part. This, the pale side, not the shimmer side, and I'm gonna actually put that under my contour to see if that defines anything. I'm gonna put some on there, and put some on my nose bridge, and on my chin. I'm not gonna add any under my eyes.
Baby, you ain't gotta lie to me. Got me tripping off your energy. Don't tell promises you ain't gon' keep. I'll find another who gon' do for me. See, I just wanna know, you had me on a low. Stressing cause you weren't even picking up your phone. Just keep it on the real. Baby, how you feel? Lately I've been feeling how I'm supposed to. When you was out here trying to get it, I was on you. Stressing about all of those times I could've lost you. Busy into it, the streets that could've hurt you. Every time you cross my mind, I just start to cry. You don't hurt me many times, I sorta lost my mind. Just remember that I cared for you, I'm sorry. If I wasn't enough for you, baby, I'm hurt. Baby, you ain't gotta lie to me. Got me tripping off your energy. Don't tell promises you ain't gon' keep. I'll find another who gon' do for me. See, I just wanna know, you hit me on a low.
Bones, you can barely see it. I wouldn't put it back there again. I feel like I would just focus it on my nose because it looks better on my nose. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to set the rest of my face with powder, and then I'll come back with the final verdict on if these are worth the $30. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is my conclusion of the products. So first off, this is my first time ever using cream contour, so I feel like that was rough on my part. I'm definitely going to continue using these in the rest of my videos. One part about the stick I do not like is the highlight part. After I set it with powder, the shimmer went away, and so I don't think I'm gonna be using it on my face. I'm still gonna try to experiment and see if that continues to happen after each and every step. But yeah, I'm still going to be experimenting with these. A part of the highlight stick that I liked is the matte white that went under my contour. I never bake under my contour, but this looks so good, and I just like how it's natural and not so rough of a contour, and I really like it. Even though I really like it. For the actual contour itself, like I said, it's my first time. I'm gonna keep on trying, so I'm sorry if it's not the way you're supposed to. Comment down below some good video suggestions or some good tips on how to use these in my next videos. So the $1 million question, is it worth the $30? I think it's worth the $30, especially since this is a KKW product. I feel like this is definitely worth the $30. I like how thick the actual product is, because with a lot of stick products, they break easily. Some of them break easily when you apply just the slightest bit of pressure on, but these glide across your skin and it just feels amazing. Blending, it did take a while with my beauty blender, as if you saw. So I feel like it's just technique. So I'm gonna do experiments, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below and subscribe. Love y'all.
You ain't gon' keep. I'll find another who gon' do